Again, good morning, everybody. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, very good. Now I am also able to listen, and you are also able to listen my voice. Okay, let me mute to all of you. Then I will unmute one or two students so that we can continue the conversation with the students. And today, who is supposed to be unmute? Molly Singh has raised her hand. Let me unmute the remote. Garima, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me in the previous class where we had left.
Sir, chapter 2 we will start.
Chapter 2 already we have started.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the page number, up to which page number we have completed.
Sir, up to 26.
Arya, unmute yourself. Up to 26 we have completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In the previous class last time, who sent me the photograph of chapter 2? Please tell me their name. I will open his account in YouTube so that I can continue. Raise your hand those who had sent me in the previous class their books, photo of the books. Now you don't need to send. Those who already have sent that, you tell me your name on. Who had sent me? Isla Raj had sent me and
Sir, किसने last time?
Isla Raj is absent.
Yes.
Who had sent me? Okay, let it be. Let us check.
Sir,
Harry, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Okay, up to which page number we have completed?
Sir, 26.
Okay, let us continue from 26. Then let me open the book on this. Let me search it out who had sent me the book. Saurav Kumar. You write the name of Saurav Kumar. Dharya Singh. Are you listening, Dharya Singh?
Yes, sir.
Write the name of Saurav Kumar. He just now has started drawing on the screen. Okay, let me open the Isla Raj book. Yes, Saurav Kumar was drawing. His name was visible here. This is chapter 1.
Yes, sir.
Let me open chapter 2. Chapter 2, page number 26. Isn't it?
Sir, this page completed. 27 we will start.
So this place completed.
Okay, then let us begin 27.
Sir, this page.
Okay. So we will start
Sir,
from
sir, Williams.
the limbs. Okay. We'll begin from the limbs. So let us study about the limbs. The 4 limbs are or arms stretched from the shoulder to the fingertips. It is joined to the spine through the shoulder girdle. The bones of arms consist of a long upper arm bone called the humerus, 2 lower arms, then a number of small bones that make up the wrist, hand, and fingers. Okay. The hind limbs or legs are large and strong. They help to support the body weight. The bones of the leg consist of a long thigh bone, also called the femur. It is the longest bone in the body. See, femur is the longest bone in the body. Whatever the important lines are there, you just made it underline. Okay, all of you. Garima and Dharya, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Okay, underline this sentence. A long thigh bone, also called the femur, it is the longest bone in the body. Underline. Garima, why are you muting and unmuting yourself? Unmute yourself.
Sir, I will not mute. My mic is muted.
If you will mute again, then I will keep you muted only, then I will unmute someone else.
Sorry, sir.
Now listen. Underline, all of you underline this sentence. A long thigh bone, also called the femur, it is the longest bone in the body. Underline this one. 2 lower leg bones, then a circular bone called kneecap, which protects the knee. A number of small bones that makes up the ankle, foot, and toes. Now we have girdles. 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 Okay. The rings-like bones that make up the shoulders and hip are called girdles. If I will ask you a question, what are girdles or what is girdle, then you have to say this line. The ring-like bones, that make up the shoulders and hip. Okay. The ring-like bone that make up the shoulders and hip are called girdles. These are the shoulder girdles and the hip girdle. The shoulder blade and the collar bone make up the shoulder girdle. The hip girdle consists of 3 bones fused together. Now we have tidbit box. We also have to read out this one, tidbit box. Our bones are very much alive. They are made of living tissues. Our bones are made of living tissues. Okay. Have their own blood vessels, can grow and heal themselves. This is the speciality or feature of the bones. As you can see picture also, this is the hind limbs, means hand, okay, attached with shoulders, and here forelimbs means arm. No, I think this is leg bone. This is leg bones. Hand bones are here. Okay. Four limbs. Four limbs means hand bones, and here hand limbs means leg bones. It is written also here in the bracket. See, it is written here hand limbs, in the bracket it is written leg. Okay, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Very good. And this is the picture of four limbs. Four limbs means hand bone from here to here, shoulder to our finger. Four limbs, in the bracket it is written arm. So there are many parts of four limbs, like collar bones. This bone is called collar bone. Then shoulder blade. This is shoulder blade. Then shoulder girdle. This is shoulder girdle. Upper arm bone. This is upper arm bone. In bracket it is written humerus. Then elbow joint. Then lower arm bones and hind bones. Hind bone means fingers area where we have our finger. In the same way, here we have the picture of hip girdle, and thigh bone means femur, and this one is kneecap. This joint is known as kneecap here. Then lower leg bones and foot bone. And here we have the picture of shoulder girdle. Shoulder girdle picture you can see. This is collar bone. And shoulder blade, this one is shoulder blade, and this one is arm bone. And hip girdle is here like that. Understood? Any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. Then come to the page number 28. Everybody come to the page number 28. 28. Now let us understand page number 28. 28 is about functions of the skeletal systems. What are the functions? Okay, what are the functions of the skeletal system? The skeletal system plays many important roles. The skeletal system plays many important roles. First, shape. Just because of the skeletal system, we have got our shape. Now you have got up Shatav Anand. Are you listening? Shatav Anand, unmute yourself. Shatav Anand, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Are you listening?
Yes, sir.
And bhajan song is coming from your house, Garima. So I am muting you. Okay. Mayank Keshri, you unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So continue from here. Now we are going to study about the functions of the skeletal system. What are the functions of the skeletal system? First of all, we have got shape just because of the skeletal system. So the skeleton gives shape to our body. This is the first and important function of the skeletal system. That just because of the skeletal system, we have got our shape. Support the vertebral column. The vertebral column holds the body upright. Just because of our skeletal system means bones, we have got the support. We can stand, we can run, we can sit, we can perform all those things. Then protection. The skull protects the brain. The vertebral columns protect the spinal cord. And it protects the delicate organs. Okay, like in our head, it protects the brain. Inside the skull, we have got brain. The skull protects the brain. Brain is very delicate, very soft. Movement. We can do any movement. It makes the body flexible. Here, it makes the body flexible and helps the body parts to move. Just because of the skeletal system, our body moves or we can move. blood production. Red blood cells and white blood cells are produced in the bone marrow of bone leg. So red blood cells means RBCs and white blood cells WBCs. Both
Yes,
are produced in the bone marrow of bone leg. Okay. Inside the bone there is a marrow which is called bone marrow. So we get all those things. These are all those functions. All those functions are being provided by the skeletal system. So skeletal system give us shape, support, protection, movement, and blood production. Okay. Functions of the skeletal system. What are the functions of the skeletal system? It gives shape, it gives support, it gives protection. Just because of this we can move. Then blood production is there. These are the functions of the skeletal system. Any problem to understand?
no, sir.
No, sir.
So okay, so all of you need to
Sir, this is an important thing. We have to
yeah,
learn it also.
these things you need to keep it in your mind. These things you need to keep it in your mind. You understand and keep it in your mind. Okay, don't learn. Means don't rattamar. Rattamar study is not good. Understand and keep it in your mind. That I am telling. Okay, if you will study with understanding, then all the exercises will be solved automatically. Then you will not feel any problem. I am telling to all students. But I have unmuted only 2 students. Each and every time I unmute only 2 students. Why? Because you cannot make noise. We cannot feel. We cannot feel any noise. Otherwise, if I will unmute to all of you, so it will become class will become like a market. Everyone will say something. That is why I have unmuted only 2 students so that we can have a better communication. So whatever I am telling, so it means I am telling to all 60 students, those who have joined now the class. And I have conducted um, an online test for class 5A GK. So now I am thinking that I will conduct both the section 5A and 5 GST test of chapter 1, because chapter 1 I already have completed with all the exercises. I have completed or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
All of you have learned all the exercises.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So-
sir.
So sooner or later, I will prepare a online question, and I will conduct the test of GST also. So you people have to be ready with that. Are you ready?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I am asking to all students. Okay. So be ready with that. I will conduct chapter 1 test anytime within a week, or in the next week. I will conduct chapter 1 test, online test, carrying 50 marks or 30 marks. Most probably I will prepare 50 marks question. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Someone is saying, Harshit Kumar, he has written in the chat box, sir, please send me chapter 1 short answer question. So it is already there in the YouTube. You go and find it, that class where I have written all the question and answer. You find it from YouTube. Why are you messaging me? Why I record the video, so that those who have left something, they can write from the YouTube video, isn't it? So please send me Harshit Kumar. Let me unmute Harshit Kumar. Sir, long question answer no complete. Utsav Raj. You go to YouTube channel and you find all the question answer, because I have completed. I have completed or not, Shitav Anand?
Yes, sir. All question answers and objectives are completed.
And I have made a video also in YouTube
Yes, sir.
and I have uploaded. Then why they are messaging me? Utsav Raj and Abhinav Jaydev. Let me unmute.
Sir, I think they are missed the class.
If they have missed the class, they can go to the YouTube and they can find the class and they can write. You can take it from YouTube. Okay, don't disturb me now. Let me teach. Stop messaging me now. Now let me disable chat box. Otherwise, they will keep writing something. I have disabled chat box. And now listen all of you. If you have missed anything, so you go to YouTube and find that video. It is available on the YouTube, all the classes. And you can find it in group 5AC also, in whatever video is being uploaded in YouTube. I provide the link in 5AC group also. I provide na, Kitab Anand.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I do everything for you people. But simply you are disturbing the classes. If you have not got anything, you just search in the YouTube, go to my channel, you write MD
Sir,
Anwar and
sir,
go
in
to
campus
playlist.
care also.
Yes, in campus care also, all things are
The in campus care also you send.
then they don't study, they don't do anything. Just they are disturbing the classes. Aditya Raj, you have got any problem? Unmute yourself, Aditya Raj. Aditya Raj. Any problem? Why are you muting and unmuting yourself? Aditya Raj, unmute yourself. Let it be now. Come, we can begin from joints. So these are the functions of the skeletal system functions. You understood, everybody? Kitab Anand, and
Yes, sir.
Yasvi, and all the students, all of you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now come here. Now we are going to study about the joints. Joints are the meeting points of two bones. What are joints? Joints are the meeting points of two bones. Underline this sentence. If I will ask you a question, what are joints? Only one line answer is given. One sentence. Joints are
Joints
the
are the-
meeting points of two bones. What are joints? Joints are the meeting points
Joints are
of
the meeting of two bones.
two bones. Yes. When I will prepare the online question, so in that question, I will put this kind of question also. In fill in the blanks or true false, like that I will ask this kind of question. So you have to be ready. Inside the story, I will also make a question and I will ask. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bones are held together at the joints by elastic substance called ligaments. See, this line is also important. Make it underline. Bones are held together at the joints by elastic substances called ligaments. I can ask, what are ligaments? So you have to say this line. Bones are held together at the joints by elastic substances called ligaments, which are like very strong rubber bands. Okay, joints hold the bones together. Joints hold the bone together and allow the rigid skeleton to move. Another soft substance is called cartilage. Another soft substance called cartilage exists at joints. You have to underline cartilage also. What is cartilage? So another soft substance called cartilage at joints between two bones. Cartilage protects the bones from damage. See, this is also important. Cartilage protects the bones from damage. Here, this one. Cartilage protects the bones from damage by preventing them from rubbing against each other. you also have to underline this one also. Cartilage protects the bones from damage by preventing them from rubbing against each other. In our body, all the joints except those in the skull are movable. See, very important line is written here. In our body, all the joints except those in the skull. Whatever the bones are there in our body, except skull, are movable. Means only skull bones are not movable. Otherwise, rest of the bones of the body parts like hand, legs, and whatever is there, all of them are movable. These are 4 types of movable joints in our body. There are it. Okay. From next time, when I will begin the class, so I will take the picture again. I have books and I will make it clear photo. I'll make it clear photo. Then I will put on the screen. Then there would be no problem. Now it is very small written and I am feeling a little bit difficulty to teach. Suppose here it is written there, but in spite of there, I have read it these. So these kind of mistakes will not happen in the next class. Because by the time I will take clear crystal photos. So there are 4 types of movable joints in our body. How many movable joints in our body are there? 4 types.
4.
Yeah. Number 1, hinge joint, ball and socket joint, then pivot joint and gliding joint. Here it is written hinge joint, ball and socket. Hinge joint is number 1, then ball and sockets 2, pivot joint 3, and gliding joint 4. Underline these sentences here. There are 4 types of movable joints in our body: hinge joint, ball and socket joint, pivot joint, and gliding joint. Different types of joints allow different types of movement. So let us read about them one by one. Number 1, we have the hinge joint. The hinge joint is found in the elbows. Okay, the hinge joint is found in the elbows, knees, fingers, and toes. You underline this one also. Where we find the hinge joint? Hinge joint we can find in the elbow, knees, fingers, and toes. Okay. The hinge joint is found in the elbows, knees, fingers, and toes. Are you listening? Are you listening?
Yes,
Nobody
sir.
listening. Okay.
Yes,
It works. Okay. It works like the hinges of a door which open in one direction only. Therefore, we can bend our arms and legs in one direction only. Now, second types of movable joints, we have the ball and socket joint. The shoulder and hip joints are ball and socket joints. You underline this one also, the shoulder and hip joint. Okay. The shoulder and hip joints are ball and socket joint. They are made up of the round end of one bone ball fitting into a small cup-like area socket of another bone. For example, the ball of the humerus fits into the cup-like structure of the shoulder blade. Ball and socket joints allow movement in every direction. Now come to the page number 29. Then we have pivot joint. These joints allow parts of our body to turn. A pivot joint is found between the skull and the first 2 vertebrae of the spine. You underline this one. A pivot joint is found between the skull and the first two vertebrae of the spine. You underline this one. It allows us to move our head sideways, upwards, and downwards. See, just because of this one, we can allow our head sideways, upwards, and downwards. Pivot joint helps in the twisting movement of the bones of the forearm against the upper arm. For example, the movement used to turn the lid of a jar. Okay. Now we have fourth number, the gliding joint. Gliding joints occur between the surface of two flat bones that are held together by ligaments. You also underline these sentences also. Gliding joints from here to here. Gliding joints occur between the surfaces of two flat bones that are held together by ligaments. This joint is found in the wrist. Where these joints are found, you underline this one also. This joint is found in the wrist, ankle, and between any two vertebrae of the spine. You underline. It allows our back to bend, twist, and turn at each joint. Some of the bones in our wrists and ankles move by gliding against each other. Okay. So today up to page number 29 we'll study till here only. Then tomorrow we'll begin also. Tomorrow you also have the GSC class now.
I sent some clear photos.
What are you saying?
But I'm sending you some clear photos.
Okay, don't send me. I have book. I will take picture with myself. When I don't have book, then I say students to send the book. No problem. If you have sent, but now don't send me. When I will tell you, then you have to send. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I also have book. I will take pictures by myself only. When I will take pictures by myself, then it will be very, very clear. Now you people have sent me, so it is little bit dark. Little bit dark is there. Darkness is there. So now you have true false, true false. You will do it by yourself. It is very easy. The shoulder and hip joints have ball and socket joints. Just now we have studied. Tell me the answer. In our body, all the joints are movable. No. Okay, this is false. Femur is the longest bone in the body. That also you need to check first, then you need to write. The hip joint is the pivot joint. The lower jaw enables us to talk and eat.
Shoulder.
So these true and
Hip
false, you need to do it by yourself. I'll check it tomorrow. Tomorrow you have GSC class at 11:30 a.m. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And in the next week, I will conduct GSC test, GSC online test for both sections, 5A and 5C both. By the time I will prepare it. Now, if you have any problem, you can raise your hand and you can ask. Only 5-minute class is left. Dipanshu, unmute yourself. Dipanshu.
Sir, I am not giving GK and MSc link.
You find it in the campus care, you find it in the YouTube. Why I record the video for
Yes,
YouTube?
sir.
You find in that. Okay. Okay, Aditya Raj, any problem? Aditya Raj, unmute yourself. Aditya Raj, when I say to you to unmute, why do you mute and unmute yourself? Don't touch your mobile again. Aditya Raj. Again, he has muted. Why are you doing like that? Unmute yourself, Aditya Raj. I think he doesn't know how to mute and unmute. Okay. Anyone has any problem? Richa, understood? Richa, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Any problem to understand the theory?
No, sir.
Okay, keep practicing, keep studying, because I am going to conduct GSC test also in next week. Karima has raised her hand. Karima, tell me.
Sir, GST test was chapter 1 questions, sir, or fill in the blanks.
All things, question answer, fill in the blanks, true, false, imagine following, all the exercises, whatever is given in that book.
All the giant.
Sir, in story, you also take some questions.
Yes, I will also take some questions from the story also, whatever I have told you to underline all those words also, the important ones. Okay,
Okay, sir.
Rimmi Naik, any problem?
No, no, sir.
Okay, understood.
Yes, sir.
Okay, anyone else? Anyone else? Any question? Yes, Raj. Unmute yourself. And those who have left, those who have not written anything, they can find it from the YouTube. In YouTube, you just write MD Anwar, then go into the playlist, go into class 5, and you can find all whatever the classes I have taken of GSC, MSc, GK, all classes you will get. Okay? Okay, Shatab Anand,
Yes, sir.
are you studying at your home? These days, are you studying at your home?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm going to say bye, everybody. I'm unmuting. So you
Bye,
can
sir.
Bye, sir.
everyone.
Thank
Okay,
you,
bye.
sir.
We'll meet tomorrow. Bye,
Bye,
everyone.
sir. Bye, sir.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye.
Okay, Mayank Singh also.
Thank you.
Mayank Singh, how are you? Mayank Singh, how are you? Mayank, fine. Are you studying at your home?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
When I will conduct GSC test of chapter 1 next in the next week, all of you have to score 100 marks out of, means 100% all of you have to get. Okay. Okay. Okay, Pragati Khetan.
Yes, sir.
कौन गाना गा रहा है? उत्सव राज. Who is singing? Write his name. Garima, write his name. Who is singing? Write his name. The student who was singing, write his name. Okay, now 30 seconds is left only. After 30 seconds, class will